Today, inshallah, we'll continue with the revision sheet. We've reached question number 38, so we'll move down to 38. Okay. This question was the last question that we solved the last session, the previous session. And as you can see, my heroes, which problem could be written about the treble clefs below? And we choose B because we have 4 groups, and inside each group we have 5 clefs. So we choose this one, this sentence. There are 4 groups of treble clefs. Each group has 5 clefs. How many treble clefs are there in all? Okay, so today we'll start solving question number 39. And my heroes, let's start with the first one. Adam?
Yes, mister.
Go ahead.
Yes, mister.
Okay, my hero, go ahead. Read the question.
Which story could be solved with 9 by 6? First answer. There are 9 white sticks of chalk and 6 yellow sticks of chalk. How many sticks of chalk are there in all? In all, it is a plus.
So the first one is plus.
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Okay, let's move to the next one.
Movie tickets cost $6. How much would 9 tickets cost? 9 tickets cost.
Each one costs $6, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how to find the cost of the 9 tickets? Each one costs 6, so the first 6, the second 6, and so on. Yes?
I think multiplication.
Yes, because we're repeating the 6. The 6 is repeating. So this is
So it
multiplication.
is the right answer.
So this one is correct.
Okay. Sandy has 9 stickers. If Sandy gives 6 of the stickers to his brother, how many stickers will Sandy have left? This is minus. This is wrong.
Excellent. So this one also is wrong. Let's see the last one.
Salmon costs 9 per pound. How much salmon could you buy with 6? It is wrong.
Why it's wrong?
Because
Okay, 9 per pound. $9 per pound. And what you have is $6.
$6.
Okay, so you have only $6 and you want to buy salmon, and each pound costs $9.
This is the divide.
Excellent, this is divide. And my heroes, in this one we are dividing 6 by 9. I know that you'll say that we cannot divide 6 by 9. 6 is less than 9. Yes, of course, what you have is less than the price of 1 pound. So this should be 0 and the remainder 6. Okay, but this is not what we want to see. We want to know just that it's not multiplication, because the 9 is not repeating, and also the 6 is not repeating. Okay, Adam, you did great job. Thank you, my hero.
Welcome.
Okay, my heroes, any questions? Okay, so let's
But teacher, I am now open my worksheet. I find it now.
Okay, Sahmi, I'm asking if you have any problems with question 39. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Hassan Yusuf.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, my hero.
Question 40. Which story could be solved with 8 multiplied by 9? Choice A. There are 8 people at a birthday party. If 9 more people come to the birthday party, how many people will there be in all at the party? This is addition, not
Excellent.
multiplication.
Great. The next one, Jason.
Jason can jog around the park in 8 minutes. How far could he jog in 9 minutes? He could jog around the park 8 minutes. We can't tell how far he could jog in 9.
So what operation do we use here?
Addition.
Oh no, because we are not adding the 9 to the 8.
Minus.
Also no. Okay, listen, my friend. Here we have 8 minutes for each one round, right?
Yep.
What about 2 rounds?
16.
So if this 9 is 16, you will say that you will divide the 16 by 8, right?
Right.
Okay, so that's why I will tell you that we need here to divide the 9 by 8. So this is division, because we need to divide 9 by 8. Okay, so this one is divide and it's wrong. Let's see the next one.
C. One row of the choir has 8 singers. How many singers are in 9 rows? This is multiplication.
Excellent,
It's
because we have 8 in each one row. So we're repeating this 8. So the 8 is repeating, and this one is multiplication. Great work. So this is the correct one. Let's see the last one also.
D. One van could hold 8 people. How many vans could hold 9 people? This is
okay, I will help you. This is like number B, like letter B. This is division also. Because let me tell you that we need to hold 16 people. So you will say that we need 2 vans. How we get the 2? You divide the 16. If I tell you that we need to transfer 16 people, so you will tell me that we will divide the 16 by 8. It's the same. So here we need to divide the 9 by 8. So this is division. So the only one that is multiplication is, of course, C. Thank you, Hassan. Great work. And my heroes, if you have any problems about question number 40, you can ask. So in this type, yes.
Teacher,
Yes, Amir.
when I will know how it will be division, I will see equally or how many in each group. I will know it division.
Yes, every division used the same way. It's groups and the number of groups and the number of items inside the group. Every division is the same. Okay, so now we know that C is the only one that is multiplication. So my heroes, let's move to the next one. In the next page, it's page what? Page 9. Yes, the previous one was 8, so this is page 9. Haider. Go ahead, my hero.
Question what?
Oh, you know that I don't like this question. You don't see my screen and you're not following? Heather, are you following?
Question 42.
Oh no, we didn't solve 41. So my hero solved 41. Read the question.
Which problem could you write for multiplying? Romana bought 8 markers in 4 groups. How many are in each group? This is the plus.
This is plus. Wait. This is plus.
No.
Okay. This is plus, my hero.
No.
If you have 8 markers and you want to put them in 4 groups, so you are distributing, you are dividing.
Yeah.
So this is not plus, this is
divide.
yes. Okay. The next one.
Romana had 8 markers and a friend gave her 4 more. How many markers? This is minus.
Oh, when someone gives you more, the number with you will go up or down.
Plus.
Yes, this is plus. Okay, the next one.
Romana had 8 markers and gave 4 away. How many markers does Romana have left? This is minus.
Yes, this is minus because when you give something away, you throw it or you don't need it, so the number with you will go down.
Yeah.
Great. The last one.
Romana's class has 4 boxes of marks with 8 markers in each box. How many markers does Romana's class have in all? This is multiply. They want to go to the bathroom.
Oh, Khalid, if it's urgent, okay. And if it's not,
Mr.
please
Can I
wait
drink
for
water first?
again. My heroes, this is session. This is not free time. You can go to drink during the break. Okay, my hero? Okay, thank you. And do not interrupt us again. Haider?
Yes.
Okay, this is multiplication. Why? Which number is repeating? The 4 or the 8?
The 8.
The 8 is repeating because we have 8 inside each box. So the first box is 8, the second is 8, the third is 8, the fourth also is 8. So this one is multiplication and it is the correct answer. Thank you, my hero. Great work.
You're welcome.
And now heroes, let's move to the next question. Muammal. Muammal. Muhammad Al-Ghafli.
Teacher, I am Muayyad. Yes, teacher,
Oh no, Muayyad. I want Muammal, not Muayyad.
I know, but the microphone is not working.
Okay, his microphone is not working, so he can use yours.
Okay.
محمد الغفلي.
Okay, Muhammad, I'm sorry because Muammal is here, so he will solve this one. Muammal, can you hear me?
Grows another 8 centimeters.
Yes, now I hear you well. So, which story could be solved with 6 times 8? I think you did read this one. The first one? Muammal?
No.
Okay, the first one, A. Read it, my hero.
8.
What 8? I told you to read this one, the first one. Read it.
John's plant grew 6 centimeters last month. If the plant grows another 8 centimeters this month, what will be the total growth of the plant in centimeters?
Yes. What
Plus.
operation? Excellent. This is plus. Great. Continue. The next one.
There are 8
Fluid ounces in a cup.
ounces in a cup. How many fluid ounces are there in 6 cups? This is minus.
Why it's minus? You will take from the 8.
No, divide.
Okay.
Divide.
If it's minus, so you will take from the 8. If it's divide, so you will distribute the 8, share the 8. Are you going to share the 8? Because I think this is 8 ounces inside each cup. Why each? Because I have this letter. I have the letter A cup. 1, it means 1 cup. Okay, so 1 cup is 8. So I have now 6. So the first one is 8, the second one is 8, the third one is 8, and how many cups do we have?
We have 6.
Okay, so we are repeating the 8.
Yes.
So what operation are we using? Times, yes.
No.
No, not correct?
Yes, it's not correct.
Why? I need times.
But it's 6 times 8, not 8 times 6.
Okay, this is good. Let's consider this. I will change, just give me a second to change this color. So, you mean that 8 times 6 is different from 6 times 8?
No.
They are the same?
Yes.
We have commutative property. So, they are the same. So, this one is correct, right?
Yes.
8 times 6 is the same as 6 times 8. Okay, so we can choose this one. Okay, let's read the C and D and try to know why it's wrong.
Todd wants to run 8 laps around that track. So far, he has run 6 laps. How many more laps does he have to run? This is...
Okay, consider yourself. If you need to do 8 laps and you did already 6, how many laps do you need to do now?
2.
So this is minus.
2. Yes.
So this one is minus. Okay, and it's wrong. Let's see the last one.
If 8 people can paint a house in a day, how long will it take 6 people to paint the same house? This is time.
Okay, 8 people can do it in a day. Okay.
Yes.
So if 6 people are working now. Okay, I will tell you the same as I did in question number 40. If I ask you, this 6 is not 6 now, it's 16.
Okay.
Let's do it in a different way. Let's make this 4. If 4 people are working, so in this case they need not 1 day, they need 2 days, right?
Yes.
So this is divide. Because we need to divide the 8 by the 4 to get the 2 days. If this is 4, so we need to divide 8 by 4 to get the 2 days.
Yes, divide.
So it's not multiply. That's what we need to know. Okay? And my heroes, you can think of this in another way. You don't need to know the operation. If you don't know the operation, it's okay. You don't have to know the operation. You have just to understand the meaning of multiplication. Is this multiplication, the 8 is repeating? Of course no, it's not repeating. The 6 is repeating? Of course no, it's not repeating. So there is nothing repeating here, so this is not multiplication. Okay, great work my hero, great work Muammal. And let's move to the next question. Any questions my heroes about question 42?
No, thank you.
Okay, and as you know my heroes, if you don't have questions, you don't need to use your mic. Okay, let's move to the next one. And Muhammad Al-Ghafli.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead my hero. Find the value
For and the makes the equation true.
the equation true. Okay, 40 divided by 5 equals n.
Equal 8.
Excellent, because we need to say here that n is equal to 8, so the answer is 8, because 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Great work Muhammad, thank you. Rida Sultan. Rida Sultan,
Yes.
go ahead.
Find the value for and that make the question
The
true.
equation.
Equation true.
Okay, what's the equation?
7.
Okay my hero, read the equation.
28 divide 4 equals 7.
n. So n, okay, n equals 7, so the correct answer is 7. Thank you my hero, great work. Okay my heroes, any questions? Okay, we will move to the next question.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Ziad, you know, when you speak and say that you want to answer, I may not let you answer today. So please do not say this again. You know that I will call, I'm calling the names, so wait to hear your name. Al-Hassan,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead my hero.
Question 45. Which division story with
Fits
the
the number sentence.
9 divided 3.
Okay, let's see down the stories.
A. Land has 9 bottles of water. She gave 3 bottles of water to Don. How many bottles of water does Land have left? It is minus.
Excellent. Okay, the next one.
B. Land has 9 bottles of water. Darcy
Darcy gives Lan 3
Land
paper bags.
bags. How many items does Land have?
Okay, what operation are we using here? Again?
12 in all. It is plus.
Plus, because what's the meaning of items?
Item.
Okay, items or objects or things. These are all the same.
Thanks.
Things. Okay. So how many things does she have now? 9 bottles and 3 papers. So we will do 9 plus 3.
Plus 3.
So this is plus, not divide.
Divided.
So this one is wrong. Let's see the next one.
One has 9.
C.
Sealand places 3 bottles of water in each paper bag. She has 9 paper bags. How many bottles of water does Lan have?
Okay, my hero, I think that the first bag contains 3. The second also 3. So
Yes.
we are repeating the 3.
It's multiply.
Excellent.
It's multiply.
So this one is multiply. Okay, let's see the last one. Remember that we need division, not multiplication.
One has 9 bottles of water. She wants to put the same number of bottles of water in each of 3 paper bags. How many bottles of water will go into each bag? It is the correct, because same number means divided.
Oh, we need to put the same number. So sometimes this is time multiply and sometimes it's divide. But in this question, we need to put the 9 in 3 groups. So the bags here are groups. So that's why this is divide. Okay, great work, my hero. Thank you. So the correct answer is D.
Yes.
Right?
The correct.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, my hero. Great work, Al Hassan. Thank you. Okay, my heroes, any questions? Any problems? Any problems? Okay, let's move to it.
No.
Okay, my hero, don't say no. If you have problem, you can ask. If you don't, please do not use your mic. Because I want you not to interrupt us. When you need to ask, I will say after each question, if you have any problems, you can ask. You can ask after the question is solved.
Teacher,
Yes, your name?
Hassan Yusuf.
Yes, Hassan?
I want to know what the word perimeter means.
Where is it?
In question 60.
Okay, we will reach this question, but maybe not today. But in all cases, this word, I will write it here, then I erase it, okay?
Okay. Teacher.
You mean this word, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ziad, can you just give us a second?
Okay.
Thank you. So, my hero, consider this rectangle. Oh no, this is not a good rectangle. Oh. Okay, consider this rectangle. If this is 3 and this is 7. So this one is also 3, right? This one is also 7, right? So the perimeter is 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 equals 20 centimeters. Okay? So this is not area. Remember, the area equals 7 times 3 equals 21 square centimeters. Okay, Hassan, now you know the difference between the perimeter and the area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ziad?
For question 45,
Okay.
I think that is the answer is wrong.
Okay, let's see why.
Because this is multiplying.
D is multiply.
Because
Okay.
Lana,
The 9 bottles is the total, right? The total, right?
yeah.
So the 9 is the total. So this 9 is the total. And we have the number of groups, which is 3 groups, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is the definition of division. Because
Yeah.
you are not repeating. Are you repeating the 9?
No.
No, the 9 is the total. Are you repeating the 3? No, it's the number of groups. So I don't repeat the 9 and I don't repeat the 3. Right?
Yeah.
And this is very important, Ziad. You should know that multiplication and division are related. They are inverse operations.
What
Inverse.
mean?
Inverse means that they are related. You may find the questions, the sentences are similar. So you should understand the meaning. You should understand the situation. Okay, put yourself in the situation. If you have 9 bottles and 3 bags, and think what you will do if you want to put the same number inside each bag. Okay, so you should do the situation. Think about the situation and think if it's real with you. You are doing this now. If you think like this, you will understand whether it's multiplication or division. Okay, my hero?
Okay.
Okay. Now, my heroes, let's move to question 46. And okay. Ibrahim.
Here, mister.
Go ahead, my hero.
Which division story
Fits
the number sentence? 21 divided 7. A. Timmy had 21 beds. She gave Rennie 7 beds to make the
necklace.
necklace. How many beds does Timmy have left?
Okay.
It's minus.
Excellent. Okay, the next one.
B. Each
Bracelet
has 7 beds. Timmy makes 21
bracelets.
How many beds does Timmy have? It's maybe it's plus. I think it's plus.
Okay. The question asks us about the number of beads does Timmy have. How many beads does Timmy have?
Okay.
So, in this case, this is not plus one here. Why? Because this is something and this is something else.
Yeah.
It's not bracelet and bracelet, not beads and beads. So, this is not the same object. It's different things. And the question is asking about something here, the number of beads. Okay, you need to do each one, you need to use 7, right?
Yes.
So, I don't have only one. I have 21 bracelets. So the first one needs how many? 7, right?
7.
And the second one? 7 also.
21.
And the third one? 7 also.
7.
Oh, I see that the 7 is repeating. So it is
It's multiplication.
excellent. So this is multiply because we are repeating the 7. We are repeating the 7 21 times. Okay, my hero. So this is wrong because it's multiplication. We need division. The next one?
See, Timmy has 21 beds. If she needs 7 beds for each bracelet, how
Bracelet.
many bracelets can Timmy make? It's a division.
Okay, let's explain to your friends why it's division. Okay, this time
Because-
we have the total number 21. The 21 here is
21.
total. Okay,
Torch.
and the 7 beads for each one bracelet. So the bracelet here is the group.
Group.
So we have total and we have number of groups. No, not the number, sorry. We have the number inside the group. This is the number inside each group. So we have the number inside each group. Each bracelet needs 7. So the first one needs 7, the second 7, and so on. But I don't know the number of bracelets. So we need to divide the 21 by 7 to get the number of groups. I don't have the number of groups. So this one is correct. Let's see why D is wrong.
Timmy has 21 beds. Rennie gave her 7 beds. How many beds does Timmy have? It's minus.
Oh! When someone give you the number with you,
Plus,
yes, you go up. Excellent. So this is plus. Okay, in all cases, this is not the correct one. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Yes, my hero. Of course. Okay, my heroes, this is the end of our session. We'll continue tomorrow. See you tomorrow and goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye, my heroes. See you tomorrow.
Bye.